Hi, it's Robert here again, and look at this colorful, exciting bouquet that I found. Do you know that studies show that flowers make you feel better? They enhance your mood. They can actually cheer you up just by their bright colors and beautiful fragrance. Now, what can we do with this particular bouquet? I've chosen this vase here because it's a real pretty vase and it's just about the right size for this size bouquet. We're going to open up the bouquet and remove all of our packaging, saving the pretty ones like I always tell you for other craft projects. And what we're going to do is we're going to separate the flowers by color and variety. Just like that. Now, instead of just dropping it into the vase, today what we're going to do is we're going to make something called more of a one-sided vase, because this would be beautiful for an entrance foyer or maybe up against a wall. It's a beautiful look and it's very easy to do. What we do is we start with our weightiest flower. That's the hydrangea. It's big and it's beautiful, and it's going to be the flower that's going to rest right on the rim of the vase. Let's take our other palms. We have green and we have color enhanced orange. I'm removing all my foliage first. This way it doesn't get clumsy while I'm working with it. Because remember, you can't have any foliage below the waterline. It'll just create bacteria. Sometimes on color enhanced flowers, you'll notice that the leaves are slightly off color. They're not dying. It's just from the enhancement process, the color has been bled through the leaf. Let's take the green and we'll take the orange, place them next to each other like that, and then I'm going to put another orange right on the other side of it. Now let's take an orange and put it in the middle, slightly lower, like so. Now we're going to take the greens and we're going to put them on both sides. Notice how we've evenly dispersed the color throughout the bouquet in my hand. Take our last orange one, and I think maybe we'll pop that one right there up at the top. Now, let's take the hydrangea and place it right there. Doesn't it look like it just fit perfect? Remember, we want this to be approximately the same height as the vase. This is going to be just a little bit shorter. Now we've got these vibrant, beautiful red Gerbers. This time I'm going to remove the straws that are used for protective shipping because you're going to see them. Sometimes if I know you're not going to see the straw, I'll leave it on because it only helps to keep the Gerber in place and really hold the bouquet together. I'm going to have my first red Gerber up here at the top. So I just slipped it in like so. Now let's take the other Gerber. And it's got a little natural curve, which you can have work to your advantage. And I'm slipping it in just like that. So now it's not directly below it, just a little slightly off to the side. And you've probably already figured where I'm putting the third one. We're going to go right here, almost right above the hydrangea. Like that. Now comes the all-important cutting step. Let's take it. I want the hydrangea to be landing directly on the edge of the vase. So I'm measuring with my eye and cutting. Remember, leave it a little longer just in case you have to cut another cut. There's no room for mistakes there. Now hold it tightly so you don't lose your shape. and place it in your vase. Turn it around and move it a little bit. Place it on your front entrance hallway table and welcome your guests with a beautiful, bright arrangement. As always, happy arranging!